Welcome back to Product Critique,
where we dissect the latest gadgets to help you make informed decisions.
Today, we're diving into what I consider the best drum machine for iPad available in the market, the Novation Launchpad Mini, MK3. Let's get into it. The Novation Launchpad Mini, MK3, is a compact and portable 64 RGB pad MIDI grid controller that packs a punch. Designed for seamless integration with Ableton Live, this little powerhouse is perfect for both beginners and seasoned musicians alike. What sets the Launchpad Mini apart is its vibrant RGB pads, giving you a perfect reflection of your Ableton Live session. With 64 pads at your fingertips, launching clips and scenes has never been easier. But it's not just about launching clips. The Launchpad Mini offers intuitive controls like stop, solo, and mute, making it tactile and effortless to control your performances without ever reaching for your mouse. Now, let's talk customization. Novation Components is a game changer, allowing you to tailor your Launchpad Mini experience to your specific needs. With 3 custom modes, you can edit mappings and control anything MIDI easily. The Launchpad Mini's slim and lightweight design means it'll fit into any setup, making it the perfect companion for musicians on the go. Plus, it's bus-powered, so you can take it anywhere without worrying about extra cables. There you have it, folks. The Novation Launchpad Mini, MK3, is not just a MIDI controller. It's a creative powerhouse that will elevate your music-making experience. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, this little device packs a punch. That wraps up today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more in-depth product critiques. Until next time, happy music making!